in my entire life, so I'm doing it right now. So I have everything that they need for the order. Cafe shop is open. Okay, I'm getting money. Nobody's here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the, okay. Oh, Tesla. Okay, I'm getting a lot of money, so I'm going to Buffalo cake, king pump up, don't hot. Let me get their coffee. Pink drink. Oh. Hi. Can I get an iced coffee? Sure. What is it? Iced coffee. No. Your brain. Ugly. This one. What did they say? Where's iced tea? Iced tea. I don't care about that. Coffee. Okay, iced coffee. Everything that I have. Hold on. Let me in. Snowflake. Okay, I'm still gonna be this worker for the whole entire day. So then I got everything in my inventory. Wait, no! Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Get iced coffee. Give me it! Okay, camel. Wait, who is that? Who's that on my screen? Who is that on my screen? That is... Hi. Hi. Whoa! Whoa. Okay. Frappa! Oh, I gave him the right drink. Now he's going. Okay, he has an iPhone. I never have an iPhone. Cafe owner. I want to get it from the Verizon store. Let me go to the Verizon store. Go to Verizon because I never have a phone in my life. Where am I? Verizon Base Arena. Verizon Base Arena. Verizon. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't even use the phone. Well, that's weird. Let me use the phone. Let me use it. Let me use it. What the? I'm trying to get my phone and it's not letting me have the phone. Red phone. Offer J phone 12 red 2. That's weird. Okay, then I employee. Where is my thing? Is it in my inventory? Where is my phone? I don't have a phone. That's weird. Why do I don't have a phone? That's weird. I want to text with my... Okay. Speed down the highway. I'm speeding, speed. Whoa. I want to go back to him. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Peace. That was a quick one because I'm low out of battery.